chinek ko yung SSS website, makakakuha raw ako ng 11,400 pesos per month if I retire at age 60 at 13,400 naman if I retire at age 65. This is based on the retirement benefit estimator at ginamit ko lang yung sweldo ko 2 years ago at 33,000 pesos per month before ako lumipat dito sa Australia. Kung dyan lang ako aasa for a comfortable retirement, kulang na kulang, di ba? Kaya naman in this video, I'll teach you about one way to boost your pension legally for as low as 500 pesos per month. Let's talk about the SSS Pension Booster. First things first, it's important to know that the SSS Pension Booster is composed of two saving schemes, mandatory at voluntary. The mandatory part is formerly called Workers' Investment and Savings Program, WISP, at automatically imposed po ito sa private sector workers earning between 20,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos monthly. Kung pasok ka sa bracket na yan, you don't need to do anything else. Automatic na yan. The additional SSS contribution ay mahahati between you, the employee, and the employer. On top of the mandatory contribution, meron din pong optional or voluntary contribution na tinatawag natin noon na WISP Plus. According to the FAQs, the voluntary saving scheme is targeted towards mid to high income earners who have the financial capacity to invest more, such as self-employed and maritime professionals, OFWs, and corporate executives, among others. Okay, pag-usapan naman natin ang benefits under the SSS Pension Booster. Number 1, Affordable Savings Scheme. Under the voluntary SSS Pension Booster, members may contribute as low as 500 pesos per payment with no maximum limit. Second, high return of investment. In 2023, the fund for the Voluntary Retirement Savings Scheme reached 386 million pesos with return of investment or ROI of 6.97%.
Plus, sa lahat ng mga miyembro ko dyan, ang estimate nasa 6.9% in 2023.
This 2024, ang target po ng SSS ay to reach 7.2% interest rate. Next benefit is tax-free investment po ito. The total contribution and investment earnings under SSS Pension Booster are tax-free. That is true both for the mandatory and voluntary schemes. Fourth benefit, easy and fast posting of contributions. Marami pong options to contribute based on what you're comfortable with. Kung gusto mo online, you can contribute using the SSS website, SSS mobile app, or SSS collection partner apps like GCash or Maya. Kung gusto mo naman physical, pwede rin mag-contribute sa teller ng mga SSS branches or collection partners branch or office, both for local and abroad. Next benefit, flexible po ang payment terms. Members can contribute anytime depending on their capacity to save. Walang pilitan dito. However, ang payment po sa voluntary SSS Pension Booster contributions must be done together with your regular SSS contribution. Next benefit, receive the total accumulated value, principal and investment income, tax-free. Ang SSS Pension Booster po ay paid out as a pension, as a lump sum, or a combination of both. At dagdag po ito doon sa final benefit under the regular SSS program. Additional siya. And last but not the least, easy access to SSS Pension Booster records. Members can easily monitor their contributions through their individual SSS accounts as posting of contributions is real-time. Eto pa, the online system is also in active development, so sooner or later ay magiging available na rin ang investment income sa SSS accounts. Okay. So pinag-usapan natin yung benefits ng SSS Pension Booster. Ngayon, i-explain ko naman po kung bakit hindi ako super keen to invest dito. Ang short answer, ayoko umasa sa pension lang pagtanda. Kahit nadagdagan ko to, hindi pa rin magiging enough.
Paano masabi?
Ito naman yung longer answer. Historically, the stock market averages more than 7.2% return. In the US, the numbers tell us na around 10% ang average return when looking at the whole picture. However, hindi po tayo nasa US, wala tayo sa United States, and there is no guarantee na 10% nga talaga ang magiging average return in the long run of the Philippine stock market. Despite that, pipiliin ko pa rin maghanap ng ibang investment programs, lalo na kung for retirement naman ang usapan. May mga makaka-relate, merong mga hindi makaka-relate sa akin. Pero ang personal reality ko po is nandito ako sa Australia and I'm exposed to more investment vehicles dito. So that's what I'm trying to take advantage of. Linawin ko lang na I'm not discouraging you from saving through the SSS Pension Booster. Kaya nga po natin pinag-usapan today para mabigyan kayo ng detalye at kayo mag-decide for your own situation. Ang sinasabi ko lang is may other opportunities na available sa akin. And more likely than not, may makahanap akong alternative. To summarize this reason, naniniwala ako may better way to invest, may 500 pesos per month. Hindi ko po ina-encourage ang iba to do the same kasi ang kagandahan ng SSS Pension Booster is low maintenance ito. And you don't have to be financially savvy, hindi mo kailangan maging interesado sa stock market, financial markets in general, to take advantage of the benefits. Pero para sa akin na mahilig mag-research, mag-compare at pumili ng investments, I can take the risk of looking for alternatives kasi relatively bata pa lang naman ako at mahaba-haba pa ang panahon for compounding to take effect. Kung hindi para sa iyo ang SSS Pension Booster, let's talk about another alternative. PERA, or Personal Equity and Retirement Account, is also designed to supplement the retirement income from SSS and GSIS. Ang main highlight nito ay yung generous tax relief from income tax, withholding tax, capital gains tax, and estate tax kung kailangan ilipat ang assets ng namatay sa kanyang tagapagmana. Another feature po of pera is, as the investor, you have control over saan ilalagay ang pera mo. This is based on your risk profile and risk appetite. Kung nasa 20s or 30s ka, you can maximize the potential returns using pera equity fund. Para naman po sa mga conservative to moderate risk investors, you can choose between pera money market fund or the pera bond fund. If you want more details about pera, comment down the money emoji para din alam ko kung sino yung umabot sa part na to. My goal po this year is to reach 5,000 subscribers. Kaya naman every like and every subscription helps my small channel. Thank you and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!